Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the faucet website. Faucet website name is DiamondFaucet of Litecoin, and this faucet website pay you this much LTC every 5 minutes and 25 times claim per day. Okay, it's too easy to claim. Go to deposit, copy your Litecoin wallet address from here. Okay, this is a Litecoin wallet address. Just click it. I copy this one and come here. In here, just paste it. Okay, and just click login, and you can solve this captcha and this captcha. I love solve media capture because solve media capture is a little bit easier. And just paste my wallet address again and just click it, and this one is a solve media capture. Okay, just type this one. Okay, and after type it and come here, fill type this capture too, and just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account, and this is very easy. And this is one of the best faucet website, and this is the referral link to you can refer your friends to come here, join this website, and you can earn much more from this website. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.